For 50 years, Sharp Chula Vista Medical Center has been a beacon of hope and healing in the community, where the science of medicine meets the art of caring, close to home for the people of the South Bay. More than 3,200 dedicated team members show up each day with compassion and purpose to be there for patients during life's most tender, challenging, and transformative moments. From life-saving surgeries and cancer care to welcoming new life, even providing a hand to hold in times of uncertainty and vulnerability. What we see today is possible because of the firm foundation the hospital was built on.
It's hard to imagine now, but the area where the hospital stands was once empty land surrounded by farms and citrus groves. And although we are celebrating 50 years of exceptional care in the South Bay, Sharp Chula Vista's story goes back even further, in 1944. When Dora and Jack Rainey bought a simple 2-story home on F Street, they turned it into a 14-bed nursing home to meet a critical shortage of hospital beds after World War II. The Raineys stayed deeply involved as the little nursing home grew into what became Community Hospital of Chula Vista. By the 1970s, it was evident the community needed more. So plans were made to move the hospital to a new location on Medical Center Court, originally called Dora Lane, named for Dora Rainey herself. The move wasn't easy because the building they wanted didn't exist yet. It had to be built from the ground up.
The hospital's auxiliary got to work, giving their all to fundraise to make the new hospital possible. Then, in 1973, a groundbreaking ceremony was held, giving way for construction to begin. 2 years later, the big moment arrived. On May 24, 1975, just weeks after the end of the Vietnam War, an ambulance pulled up to 751 Dora Lane to transfer the first of 14 patients.
Community Hospital of Chula Vista officially joined Sharp Healthcare in 1989, taking on the name Sharp Chula Vista Medical Center, and always with our patients at the center of it all. Clearly, Sharp Chula Vista has grown over the years both in size and in the programs and services offered. Innovations in cardiac and vascular care, orthopedic surgery, labor and delivery, cancer care, and so much more have been the hallmarks of Sharp Chula Vista's reputation in the South Bay. It's been our duty and privilege to reaffirm our commitment to the community again and again. Then, in 2020, the extraordinary Ocean View Tower opened, adding 106 private patient rooms, state-of-the-art surgical suites, a rooftop cafe, and more. The opening of the 170,000 square foot tower was a visible reminder to the community of just how vital Sharp Chula Vista is. As only months later, the hospital and the healthcare industry as a whole faced unprecedented challenges of the COVID-19 pandemic. The addition of the tower proved essential in caring for the community during the difficult days of the pandemic. As we continue to strive for even greater levels of care for our community, we're writing the next chapter, transforming our emergency department into a modern and efficient space to help meet the needs of our growing community and further improve the experience with a brand new lobby, enhanced arrival and check-in process, new private triage rooms, and a larger, more centrally located pharmacy for our patients.
The entire emergency department, our nurses, doctors, and medical staff is eagerly anticipating this new space. Right now, we're providing emergency care to nearly 80,000 patients annually.
The new layout also features our Emergency Psychiatric Assessment, Treatment, and Healing Unit, also known as EMPATH. This dedicated space is part of the County of San Diego's Health and Human Services Agency Behavioral Health Services network of crisis stabilization units. It has 6 recliners to provide immediate care for patients experiencing behavioral health emergencies in a calm and safe environment.
As more families continue to call the South Bay home, with the population expected to grow in the coming years, we're ready to meet them with timely, compassionate emergency care. This newly refreshed emergency department will help us to do exactly that.
It's moments like this when the community comes together to support something greater. that remind us why this hospital means so much to so many. I've seen firsthand how the hospital has touched so many lives, including my own. And now, with so much on the horizon, including the unveiling of a transformed emergency department, it's an exciting start to the next 50 years of our legacy.
So, to those who have donated to help fund the ED Transformation Project, and to those who will help us to get our project past the finish line, from all of us in the emergency department and at Sharp Chula Vista, we thank you.
With 50 years behind us, a bright future is ahead as Sharp Chula Vista Medical Center keeps moving forward, leading with compassion and purpose every step of the way.